Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to create mask layer in any shape in Webflow. Creating mask layers in Webflow can open up a world of creative possibilities for your web design projects. This technique allows you to shape and control the visibility of elements in unique ways. Whether you're trying to add a touch of creativity to your website or aiming to integrate brand elements seamlessly, learning how to create mask layers can be a game changer. This video is going to take you through the entire process step by step so you can start using these techniques to enhance your web design projects. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your Webflow account. If you're new to Webflow, you'll need to sign up first. Just click the sign up option and follow the instructions on the screen. Once you're logged in, open the Webflow Designer. This is where all the magic happens. Masks are crucial because they allow you to manipulate the visibility of elements, which can significantly improve both the visual appeal and functionality of your website. Now let's dive into the process. Head over to the left side panel and look for the Apps section. Here you'll want to search for Clip Path Bae. This tool is fantastic because it lets you clip complex shapes without writing any code. When you find it, just click on it. Clip Path Bae provides a variety of ready-built clip paths that you can use for your website assets, like CSS polygons, ellipses, and circles. You can also upload your own SVG files, which you might have created or exported from design software such as Figma or Illustrator. Once you have Clip Path Bae installed, click Launch to open it. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to choose the shape for your mask layer. The window will display an image that serves as a guide for the actual image you're working with. To apply a mask, simply select a shape and click the Clip It button. You'll see the shape applied to your image in the background. If you don't like the result, you can easily undo it and try a different shape. The tool offers a variety of shapes like circles, ellipses, and more complex polygons such as pentagons, hexagons, octagons, and even decagons. For instance, if you choose a circle and apply it, your image will take on that shape. Let's say you want to use a pentagon for a more unique look. Simply select it, apply it, and see how your image transforms. You can also add additional images and apply different mask shapes to them. For example, let's add another image and apply a hexagon shape to it. Just click on the asset you'd like to modify, choose your shape, and watch as the mask seamlessly integrates with the design. The beauty of using mask layers in Webflow is that it allows designers to incorporate branding elements creatively. Imagine having your logo masked into a unique shape that aligns perfectly with your brand's identity. It's a fantastic way to enhance your website's design with visually engaging elements that not only improve aesthetics, but also functionality and user experience. That's it for this tutorial on how to create mask layer in any shape in Webflow. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.